Are you trapped in a cycle of sugar cravings, energy crashes, and feeling out of control with your health? If you're ready to break free, listen up. Unstable blood sugar messes with everything. Your energy, your mood, even your weight loss goal. You deserve better than this. Did you know that according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, more than 34 million Americans have diabetes, and 1 in 5 of them don't even know they have it? Diabetes is the 7th leading cause of death in the United States. Sugar Defender is your all-natural secret weapon. This powerful formula is packed with herbs and nutrients specifically chosen to support healthy blood sugar balance. What is Sugar Defender? Sugar Defender has provided amazing blood sugar support for men and women in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and even 70s. Because it was engineered based on the teachings of modern science, the Sugar Defender formula is very gentle, yet very powerful at the same time, using pure plant ingredients and natural minerals. And you can rest assured knowing it's manufactured in the United States in a state of the art FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. What kind of results can I expect from Sugar Defender? Sugar Defender is a powerful and effective blood sugar support and all-day energy helper. Thousands of people enjoy taking Sugar Defender every day with great results. Once your body adapts to the ingredients, you will notice less hunger, more energy, and better blood sugar readings. How long will it take to see results? Most people start feeling a difference after the first week. The best results come when you take Sugar Defender consistently for 3 months or longer to allow time to cleanse, restore, and renew. Therefore, I strongly recommend you take advantage of the 3 or 6 bottle discount package. What is the best way to take Sugar Defender? Just take a full dropper under your tongue in the morning before breakfast, or dissolve a dropper in a glass of water and you will love the results and how you'll feel. What if Sugar Defender doesn't work for me? If you're not satisfied with the results and want a refund, don't worry. You can use Sugar Defender for 60 days with no questions asked, 100 money-back guarantee. The only way to be totally convinced is to try this amazing formula and experience the results for yourself. Imagine consistent energy levels, no more afternoon crashes, reduced cravings making healthy choices easier, feeling lighter, brighter, and more in control of your health. Take the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Visit Sugar Defender's official website right now to experience the power of Sugar Defender. The link is in the description below.